Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window wiper. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.